Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. So popular stage dancer or Mapono dancer and traditional healer Zodwa Wabantu had a lot of people wanting her to be cancelled with immediate effect, you guys, while others were saying that the nation should rather pray for her, as this time she has gone way too far. During the December holiday, she went way low and obviously desperate for attention, because not only did the Sangoma get her kuku eaten on stage by a strange old man, she shocked many when one of her dancers, a lady, was put on stage and put a bottle of Savannah inside her kuku, you guys, for the crowd to take pictures and videos of her, which has now gone viral. Now the poor lady was shamed online rather, and people have made a point in stating that education is very much indeed important, and Zodwa Wabantu was using that girl obviously to make money. Had that poor girl been educated, all of this would have been avoided, you guys. And honestly speaking, it was truly disappointing and cringe watching that video. Now Zodwa Wabantu's behavior has gone way out of control, and people are saying that she needs to be cancelled, and also she needs a deliverance from whatever evil spirits that she is carrying, because she works for the kingdom of darkness. You guys, what are your thoughts? Please do engage with me, of course, in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Also follow me if you haven't yet done so, guys. If you want to watch that video, please do make sure that you go to Twitter, because I cannot obviously post it here, as I will get a strike or taken down. Now, what are your thoughts? Please share them with me. I will definitely see you on the next video. Bye.